Today in this video, we will be learning how to find your player ID in State of Survival game. To find your player ID in State of Survival, first of all, open up the game on your device and then from the home page, go ahead and tap on your avatar in the top left corner of the main screen. This will open up the Chief Profile section where you need to see on the right corner, and there you should see the ID option. If you tap on the ID, which is a long string of numbers, you will then be able to copy your Chief ID. You can also manually write it down for future use. Now that you've found your player ID, you can use it to submit a support ticket, go to help section in the settings, or visit the official support website and provide your ID for faster assistance. You can also take a screenshot of your player ID and save it in your phone's gallery or iCloud. So that's how you can easily find your player ID in State of Survival. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.